So agents are everywhere in UiPath now. And with this demo, I'm going to showcase how we are improving the human in the loop or the agent escalations aspect of the agent builder. People who are familiar with this feature, yes, it is the same feature which is available in RPA, and we are now bringing it into the agentic world. So what you can do with this, you now no longer need to log in to Action Center. You can complete your escalation, approve whatever task is assigned to you via Outlook email or via Slack message. Today we have support for DM, but the channel Slack channel is also coming very, very soon. And of course, the customer benefits, it's a no-brainer. You don't longer have to learn about a new tool. I'm sure many people will be very happy with that. And now you also will have multiple channels for your review. So if your customers or your users prefer using Slack or Outlook, you can bring that review task to them at their convenient channels. It is going GA next month. Most probably, it should be already be available in preview by end of this month. So, and yeah, the only configuration which is needed will be from your org admin. If they have enabled email and Slack for your entire org, then all you need to do is just enable a toggle, and that's it. You'll be able to use this feature in agent escalations. Again, let me just touch upon the upcoming features because I know many people have been requesting this. We will be having Maestro support soon for the same feature. Microsoft Teams channel is also one of the main features which is in their pipeline, will be available within a month. And I have already told the channel notifications will be available. So let me quickly demo it in the agent solution, Studio Web. This will also be available in the agent builder if people are using, but let me also demo the latest offering of solutions with our feature of human in the loop. So now when you open the agent builders or the agent project and you click escalations, you will not be seeing one more small section called available actionable notifications. It will be disabled by default because your admin has to enable these notification channels in your org. So in the background, we are using notification service, and we are using the same thing, which is powering this entire bell icon. So the same service is in effect. The admin, if you are not the admin, ensure that your admin follows these steps, or all these these steps are documented in the documentation. So your admin can just read the document and he can enable this. You need to go to the manage notification, which is the admin setting. Go to the email configuration, just toggle it yes, all the other things will be default, and just save it. This will enable your Outlook email notifications. Just go to Slack, do the same, enable it, and it will just enable the Slack notification. Now, the only caveat in Slack is in the background, we are using integration service connections. So the same beautiful integration service connections, you will also be now using in notification settings. You will have the status of connected and disconnected to just ensure that you are using an active connection. The admin is using an active connection. And once you have saved it, that's it. No other configuration needed. So this will enable the notification for your entire org. So it is not the users who are part of that org need not do anything from their end. If the admin has enabled, that's it. You are done. Now, when I refresh the same project, I should automatically get that enabled. Otherwise, I'll just have the toggle active. So you can manually enable it on your escalation design experience. So let me refresh. Yeah. So, okay, I got my project. Let me go to the escalations. And yes, as you can see now, this particular section is active. You'll also be able to see, if suppose only email was enabled, you'll be able to see what channel has been enabled by your admin. If you don't have Slack, it will reflect on your design canvas itself. Okay, I don't have to do anything extra, whatever I'm used to till now in building the escalation, that remains same. I don't have to do anything more. So I'm just using this app which I have created, which is a simple, no nonsense form based task where I'm just extracting certain invoice fields from the let's say document understanding, or maybe I'm getting it from an email, whatever. I'm just extracting all these fields and I'm just passing it to the escalation. If my amount or quantity is greater than certain amount, certain value. That's my use case. A very simple, easy to understand use case. So let me now just test this particular feature. I will be getting all the inputs, which I have already defaulted. So I will get an escalation if the invoice amount is greater than 1,000 or invoice quantity is greater than 100. So let me save this. I should get my task not only in Action Center, but now also in my Outlook email as well as Slack. So good, it's fast. This is one other advantage you will be getting soon with our offering, the speed, where we are constantly working day and night. Okay, so my task should get completed. And yeah, I got a pop-up that my task is ready. So I'll go to my task. Let me first show you Action Center so that you know what you will be able to expect in your Slack message as well as in your Outlook email. So no longer the hassle of logging into Action Center, going through all that loading, delay and stuff. You can just happily go to your Outlook email or Slack message. So in this escalation task, you will be seeing the form fields, which is this, and the data which I have passed are also coming properly. But now with this feature, if you go to your Outlook, you'll also be getting the same form fields in your Outlook. That means if I just click the button here, you'll perform the same action which you used to perform in Action Center. If I go to Slack, I will be getting a DM. So if I go to UiPath staging, which I'm using the staging account, that's why it's coming as UiPath staging. But in your case, as you will be using production, it will be UiPath. So as you can see, again, all the form fields are there. I can edit them. Edit functionality will be available by the GA. So let us keep it as it is, and I'm just going to say approve. I'll get an acknowledgement like this that your approve action has been completed. And if I go back to Action Center, not this here, and if I go to the completed section, I can now see this is the 1 minute ago task. It has been approved and it has been completed. So if I didn't even have to log in Action Center, I would still be able to complete this escalation or provide my inputs. So that's the power of this feature. You can do your escalation approval review faster. And Teams, with the help of Teams, which is also coming up, you'll have 3 channel supports apart from Action Center. Now, before I pass on to the next presenter, I just want to ensure that apart from your usual questions, please, I really want to understand what other actionable notification channels you are interested in. Also, what escalation improvements you want us to enhance so that it will ease your entire experience of configuring not only the agent escalation, but also the collaboration between human agents and robots.